So I want people to know, get rid of the shame and embrace it.
If you could teach the world one essential insight about sexual health, something that could really move the needle, what would that be?
That the way you have sex is right for you. As long as it's consensual and it's with adults. I know this sounds so cheesy and I hate cheesy, but really, however you get off is how you get off. I mean, I worked with a couple once, they can only get off in a certain way. They came to me because they thought they should do penetration or they should have it certain be. And we tried. And I said, okay, I'll help you with that. But
Yeah.
this might be you. Like anything else might be like conversion therapy. And it really
Mm.
was, turned out. So I want people to know, get rid of the shame and embrace it.
Yeah, I love that. That's fantastic. Now, after 40 years of practice, what has changed the most in how you work with couples?
Ooh, that's a really good question. Well, the most I would say is asking about sexual health. I never used to do that. Now I think it's unethical not to. When everybody has a sex life, whether you're active or not. I've just gotten better. I've gotten less involved in the problem solving, less interested in their fight, and more interested in helping them turn to each other and figure out their own solutions. And they'll always turn to you as a therapist and say, well, what do you think? What is your thoughts on this? How should we proceed? And I always say that's a Joe Kort response. You need a response that's tailored to you.
Yeah, definitely. At Sexual Health Alliance, we train many people who are wanting to work in sexual health and work with people in relationships. So, what's the most important thing professionals need to know in this space?
How to ask the questions. A lot of therapists will say, well, I don't ask anything sexual unless they bring it up. And I'll say, well, wait a minute. Do you not ask anything about family of origin unless they bring it up? No, of course not. That's part of the intake and part of the assessment. So should this be. So
Yeah.
really asking the questions. And if I say to my clients, if you don't want to talk about it, I know I'm a stranger. We're new to each other. You don't have to say it and you don't have to answer anything. But I do want to ask because I'm trained in this. And it's
Yeah.
important to ask. Otherwise, they won't know to talk about it.
Yeah, exactly. Stay curious, ask questions.
Yes.
I love it.